Simplify. The Santals are born free and hardly obey any control. Santal mane free जन्म होइतांती और ସେମାନେ को control रे रहंतिनी. Which sentences have this idea? The two sentences in the first stanza gives the idea that Santals were born free and hardly obey any control. Okay? What did they do to get their bread? ସେମାନେ कौन करके चाषबास करंती? To get their bread, they cleared the forest, prepared fields and grew different kinds of crops. How did they help the king? ସେମାନେ help राजा को केमती help करतले? Once or twice a year. They had to help the king when there was a war. जेतले युद्ध होतला ସେମାନେ राजा को fighting करियारे युद्ध करियारे help करतले. Who became the ruler of their land after the Plassey battle? The British became the ruler of their land after the Plassey battle. What did the British want? The British wanted to collect more money. What did the king do to collect rent from the tribals? The king appointed the outsiders to collect rent from the tribals. Say king outsider manako appoint kale. What were given as pattas to landlords? Some tribal villages were given as pattas to landlords. How did the landlords trouble the tribals? Landlords mane kemti hairan kale tribal manako? The landlords asked the Santals to pay more taxes and often took away their property and lands. Besi tax maguthile au tanga property au jami nei jautile. What did Tilka ask people not to do? Tilka asked the people not to pay taxes. Tax not da pai Tilka kodala. What did the government do to bring the Santals under control? To bring the Santals under their control, a new collector was appointed in Bhagalpur. Who was Cleland? Cleland was the new collector of Bhagalpur. What did he do to bring the Santals under control? Se kaun kale? To bring the Santals under control, he appointed soldiers from other tribes to fight against the Santals. Okay? Did Tilka like it? I'm sure he mustn't have liked it. What was his plan? The plan kontla? No, Tilka did not like it. He was looking for a chance to kill Cleland. Okay. The chance came on the morning of 23rd January 1784. Cleland was riding to his house on horseback. Tilka shot an arrow from a distance and killed him on the spot. Since Tilka was excellent, he was exceedingly well at his bow and arrows. आमे जानिचे तिलका माझी बहुत भलो थिले सर चलियारे भलो ताकू तीरंदाजी जाना थिला एकाथरे मारले ताकू. The news of Cleland's death spread everywhere. जेतले से गोटे कलेक्टर थिले समस्ते जानि गले. The government brought more soldiers and weapons. बाप रे गवर्नमेंट आउरी बहुत देख पिला माने तिलका माझी गोटे लोक किंतु जेहेतु से सत्यर पथरे थिले गवर्नमेंट ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को केते फोर्स लगे पड़ता खाली धरिया. The government brought more soldiers and weapons, but Tilka and his people fought about a year, killing many British soldiers with their arrows. At last, they made a sudden attack on Tilka and his followers. तमे देखियो पिला माने तमे हिस्ट्री पढ़थुवा देखुथुवा बहुत समय रे ब्रिटिशर्स रिजॉर्टेड टू ट्रेचरी. ट्रेचरी माने कोन? धोकाबाजी. धोकाबाजी करिकी ही से माने आम हीरो मानकु हरै दियंती. सत्यर पथर रहिकरी हरै पारंतिनी. देखो एठी भी सडन अटैक करिकी सेटा भी गोटे धोकाबाजी करिकी ताकू धरले. Tilka was arrested. He was mercilessly beaten. बहुत बाड़ेले. Mercilessly माने बिना दयारे. Mercy माने दया. Mercilessly माने बिना दयारे. His hands were then tied to a horse and he was dragged all over Bhagalpur town. Drag माने घोषाड़ीबा. पिला माने कितने दुखर कथा भाबिलो. तांको हाथ को घोड़ा रे बांधी के ताको घोषाड़ले. But Tilka did not die after all this. से मर न थिले. So they hanged him from a tree. तांको फांसी दे देले. ये दुखर कथा. The place is known today as Tilka Chowk. से जगार ना हला Tilka Chowk. History has forgotten Tilka Maachi. His name is not found in the history books. देखो एते बड़ काम से कले किंतु हिस्ट्री बुक रे तांको ना नहीं. But many people who came to Bhagalpur pay their respects to Tilka. भागलपुर को जो लोक मैंने सब आसंती से तिलका को रेस्पेक्ट दियंती. In 1969, the Simanta Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan came to Bhagalpur. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan से गोटे बहुत फेमस एक्टिविस्ट थिले. सी आसते भागलपुर को. He went to Tilka Chowk where Tilka was hanged and paid his respect to this great martyr. Martyr माने पिला माने जे जीवनर बलिदान देथांती आम देश पई. A statue of Tilka Maachi at the Tilak Chowk in Bhagalpur. देखो. How was Cleland killed? Cleland was killed while he was riding to his house on a horseback. घोड़ा रे चढ़ के घर को जाउथली इसलिए मरि गेले. What did the government do to control the tribals? To control the tribals, the government brought more soldiers and weapons. How long did the tribal rebellion continue? The tribal rebellion continued for a year. जो ट्राइबल मानकर युद्ध से जो करथिले गवर्नमेंट अगेंस्ट जाउथिले सेटा केते दिन चलिला गोटे वर्ष चलला. What happened to it at last? At last the British government made a sudden attack on Tilka and his followers and he was arrested. Sudden attack करके तिलका को अरेस्ट करने ले. How did the great son of soil breathe his last? Breathe his last. Breathe one's last. पिला माने ब्रीथ माने निश्वास नबा. लास्ट माने शेष निश्वास त्याग करिबा. ब्रीथ हिज लास्ट. Tilka did not die after getting beaten and dragged by a horse all over Bhagalpur town. So they hanged him on a tree. Where is Tilka Chowk? Who was it named after? Tilka Chowk is at the place where Tilka was hanged till death. It was named obviously after Tilka Maachi. Who was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was an Indian independence activist. What is he called? He was called as Badshah Khan or Bachcha Khan. ताको Badshah Khan और Bachcha Khan भी कहते. When did he visit Tilka Chowk? Why? He visited Tilka Chowk in 1969 to pay his tribute to the great martyr. Can you name some tribal leaders of Odisha who were great freedom fighter? किसी tribal leader जो मन के great freedom fighter किसी ना कुहा. लक्ष्मण नायक कोरापुटरू थिले. वीर सुरेंद्र साय संबलपुर थिले. एमान सब ट्राइबल लीडर. बर्तन हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर करबा. अच्छा एक दीटा कॉलम अछि. कॉलम ए रे पैराग्राफ नंबर and in column B some ideas are given and we have to match the column, match the paragraph that depicts that idea. Paragraph 1, the birth of Tilka Maachi. 2, Tilka Baba. 3, तीन दुईटी अच्छी. Both of them are in paragraph 3. The ideas are good at using bows and arrows and trained young men at shooting arrows. 4 1 2 3 4 टी अच्छी. देखो तो मैंने पिला माने एक क्रम रे लिखि नियो. हम आगु बढ़िबा. ये क्वेश्चन आंसर अच्छी. Where and when was Tilka Maachi born? Tilka Maachi was born in a Murmu family in a small village near Bhagalpur in Bihar. He was born in 1715. देखो पिला मैंने एक क्वेश्चन आंसर में ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन कर देचे. तमे देखि कि सुंदर हैंड राइटिंग रे लिखि दबो. Wittify.